looking at, honey? Honey? What are you looking at? Oh, baby has a hiccup. But when Mama wrap baby into many blankets, it will go away, right? It will go away, right? It will go away, right? Honey? 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 Bless you. Bless you, baby. Bless you. Grandma? Grandma? I'm so awake. I'm so awake, Grandma. I want to see you around. Please show off my chins. Please show off my chin. I have some cut chin. That's why Mama have to wrap you in many blankets, because you having hiccup. Having hiccup, my mama. What this camera for? I'm gonna look at it and discover it. What is it? What is it?